What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode at Hiner Outdoor Living. It is May and we are in the middle of clean out season, and it is a go time of year for us. And this morning we're actually headed to a pond that we built last year, and so the guys will be cleaning this for its very first time. We're still building up that ecosystem, and so a little bit more algae to be expected for that first year, but let's go with them and let's go check out what we're going to do today. Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
Okay, so we've got the clean out going here over at Nelson's house. It's pretty gross. It's not a super big pond, but again, we're trying to store as much water as we possibly can. So we've got all of that set up now. We're picking out as much of the algae that we can with our hands because there's quite a bit of it. Can happen definitely when a pond is newer, especially with fish in it and whatnot. There's not enough bacteria established, things like that. So he's on the maintenance plan for this next year, so we'll definitely make sure that it's not going to look like this again. Right now we're just pumping it out, picking out the algae, then we're going to get in here, pressure wash this all down, which will definitely take a while. Get the fish out of here, of course, before we do that. But yeah, it should be pretty good. Hoping to be done by about 4 today.
All right, so the guys just finished up, just checked in, and pond looks nice and clean. Client's happy. They are set up for success. They're ready for spring and ready to start enjoying that pond again. That's it for this week, but we'll be doing cleanouts for another couple weeks. Appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.